Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone gets slow after updating to iOS 17 version. So guys, feeling little sluggish after that recent iOS update? Don't worry, you are not alone. But before you throw your iPhone out the window, let's try a few simple fixes to get your device back up to speed. In this video, I will guide you through some easy steps you can take to troubleshoot and speed your iPhone up. So stick around and let's get started. First of all, you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart it's all it takes to clear out temporary glitches and give your iPhones a fresh start. So you have to open your settings, tap on your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is update all app on your iPhone. Outdated apps can sometimes cause compatibility issues with the latest iOS version, leading to slow performance. So you have to open your App Store, then tap on your profile, scroll down, and you can see the option which app requires update. You can simply update them all, or you can update them individually. So guys, after this, then you have to do is disable the background app refresh. Background app refresh allows app to update their content in the background, even when you are not actively using them. This can drain battery and slow down your iPhone. So you have to open your settings, tap on your general, tap on background app refresh, again tap on it, and you have to make sure that it's off. So guys, after trying these steps, then you have to do is simply disable the location services option. So you have to go to your settings, tap on privacy and security options, tap on location services, and if you have enabled it, then you have to disable it. Tap on turn off and turn it off. So guys, after this, then you have to do is free up storage space. A lack of storage space can also contribute to sluggishness. So you have to go back and then tap on your general, tap on iPhone storage and delete unnecessary app files, videos or photos which you don't want to use. So guys, after trying these all steps and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to reset your all settings on your iPhone. If none of the steps works, you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to simply open transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos and thanks for watching.